I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make deviled eggs with Miracle Whip. Start by hard boiling eggs for 10 minutes, then cool in ice water and peel carefully. Have eggs and remove yolks into a bowl. Mash yolks with Miracle Whip, mustard, salt, and pepper until smooth. Spoon or pipe filling back into whites, chill for 30 minutes, then garnish and serve for a crowd-pleasing appetizer. Bring eggs to a gentle boil and then remove from heat to let them finish cooking off the flame for consistent yolks and no green ring. Cooling eggs quickly in ice water stops cooking and makes peeling simple and tidy. Peel under running water to ease membranes away, then have eggs with a sharp knife to keep edges neat. Proper boiling and cooling make filling look clean and professional. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps drinks cold and fits in most cup holders, so you can stay hydrated while prepping deviled eggs with no spills or interruptions. It's a small kitchen MVP that saves counter space and keeps you sipping. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Mash yolks until smooth, then fold in Miracle Whip to reach a creamy but stable texture that holds its shape. Add mustard, a touch of vinegar or pickle juice, salt, and a sprinkle of sugar if you like extra sweet tang. Taste and tweak in small increments to avoid over-seasoning. Pipe or spoon the filling into whites, then finish with a dash of paprika or chopped chives for color and a flavor pop before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.